Today on my Alberta job, we're gonna do a bunch of scrap hauls for our sister company, Evergreen. They got quite a bit of old scrap junk. We're gonna haul it down to the scrap metal place. It's gonna be a couple loads. We're gonna have to go down there, unload it off the trailer because I can't get my truck and trailer across the scale. It's too tight. So we're gonna have a bed truck assist and just offload and then take it across the scale with the bed truck.
Burning bridges to the ground, so take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, which we crossed. Dropped off the scene that side, wishing to have one more fight left in me. The life I see, what's left in me. Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the ground. Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said. Connecting lines is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance. Turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I left. The life I see, what's left in me. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the ground.
Alright, so this one's gonna be extra tricky. Like, there's barely enough room for the bed truck to almost get off the scale. There's a lot of stuff in the way from the swing path. I think this is probably about a 60-foot mud tank from, I don't know, probably 1949. So it's gonna be a bit of a work. I'm gonna stick around and help the bed truck, of course, and I'll spot him because he doesn't have a swamper with him today. So it'll be two pros getting her done.
Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be, making emotion paintable and so tell me, is this what you made me?
Fucked up this time. It doesn't fit on the bed truck.
What an idiot.
We can't get it over the scale. We can't get it off the trailer. I don't know what we're gonna do. Psych. Of course it fits. When I go to Home Depot, I park in the pro parking spot. Now this isn't your normal run-of-the-mill 340-inch bed truck. This thing is super tall. It's custom, and it's probably an extra 8 inches taller, if not more, than every other 340, 330-inch bed. The guy comes out after we get across the scale. He's like, you guys should stick around here and show these guys how to drive. And I'm just like, I got better things to do.
I got better things to do. Every time you bring me close, and you're thickening the ghost of you, bleeding tires you've been done. I'm done.
Alright, so we're kind of timed out for scrap. They're like not taking any more trucks after 3:30, so now that this huge black gray cloud has finally caught up to Red Deer, I'm gonna go over to the welding shop here and pick up a 65-foot skid for it's for a shack, and take it over to the Q&A.